Alright, we're checking out the newly restored roof rack for this Ford Taurus X. I got this set from the junkyard actually, and they were in good condition. They weren't rusty or peeling or anything, but I went ahead and disassembled them, cleaned them, and then got trim paint for the black right there, then got some metallic silver for the railing. Looks really freaking good compared to the hideous original one. Just look at that. That's just nasty, man. I'm sorry. This is a 2008 Ford Taurus X, and we're just fixing up all kinds of stuff on it, restoring things, making things better, make sure things work. Look, we need to clean the roof also. Look at that hideous roof. Oh my god. This car obviously sat for a while unused. We also replaced the antenna right there. That was not too bad of a job, but see my other videos on that one. If you have a roof antenna like this and you need to replace it, check out my other videos. Anywho, there you go. Old restored. Looks really good. Thoroughly pleased, if I do say so. It's the little details that make a difference, you know? Little details. You'd think it was brand new when this is actually from a 2008 model as well. We just took some time restoring it, you know, cleaning it up and painting. There you have it. All right. We got more on this car. Check out our other videos. There's lots more to do, unfortunately, but it's coming along. Check out the interior now. It looked hideous when we got this thing. You know, all the seats were just nasty. Now they're looking good. Look at that steering wheel. I am so pleased with that. That is actually a Mercury Sable 2008 steering wheel with the Taurus X airbag in the middle, but really looks awesome, man. Anyway, we're just restoring a 12-year-old car, and it's coming along quite well. All right, y'all, have a good day.